Woohoo! We're on. This snapper fishing, I am absolutely loving it.
Absolutely fantastic.
Welcome back, guys, to the action-packed Dom's Fishing Adventures. I'm on the snapper run. Stormy weather, in close. Single hook, size 6, little small bead and sinker, 40-pound leader, 40-pound braid. A very simple rod. What else do you want to know? The location? The ocean. No, actually, SOR, south of the river. I hate that. In WA, they go, oh, where's your location? Oh, north of the river, south of the river. Yeah, okay, what, Albany or Fremantle? So target species is the snapper. And yeah, hopefully we get a couple. Yeah, beauty. Oh, fish on the softy. I saw it getting moved around a bit. It's not a, you can tell it's not a big one. But just that fish fighting, struggling, will attract the other fish. Hopefully they can see what's going on. What I got here? Oh no, yeah, as I said, I actually saw a fish come up and follow it. So there you go. First snapper on the pinky. They're easy to release too. They don't, very rare that they'll swallow it and get themselves too much in a bother. On you, buddy. Yeah, I could just see the rod tap, 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 tap. Oh. I might take the sinker off this one here because they're hitting the bottom. There's a lot of little small fish. I've actually got some whiting fillets. I want to fill it, throw that out for bait. Right, just reeling this one up. And I thought that's strange, the rod went all the way on this side of the boat, or the line. Yeah, what do you got here? Oh yeah, another squire of a snapper. Again, perfect hookup. Lovely, and these hooks are great. Size 6s, big hooks, just so sharp. Pretty efficient. Now, just saw a few taps on this. More taps. Just wondering if it's hitting the bottom. It's a big bean sinker. Here we go. Oh, he's off. Okay. Too keen on that one. Oh yeah, there's fish down there. Woohoo! Quick. This one here's already rigged up. We've got a soft plastic over there as well, but that has not been touched by anything big. Yeah, so that's the big bean thing. I might actually get rid of that once I land this next fish. You're that cocky. Oh, there we go. That's off. Oh, didn't set the hook. Is he on? Yeah, he's on. Snapper. Not a giant one. See him through the water. There he goes. Yeah. Good. Again, right on the corner of the hook. Beautiful. Yep. Nice. Woohoo! We're on. That's got to be another snapper. Yep. I just threw both of my other baits out, so I might land this guy on the other side of the boat. Let's go for a walk. Keep the pressure on. There we go. Yeah, that's definitely a specimen of a snapper. No, my luck is going to go around the other side of the boat. For some reason this bait is heavy on this side here. And again, I just cast it away from the boat. Good fresh piece of muley. Just like that. Let's see some colour. Let's hope it's coming around this side. Let's hope it's not under the boat, near the prop. Haven't seen leader yet. Oh. Got leader. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. Still green. There he comes. Oh, come on. Woo! He's a fish. He's definitely a keeper. This snapper fishing, I am absolutely loving it. Oh man, where's my pliers? So that's terrific. All right, so you got him on the back of the tongue. So he was never going anywhere. Oh no, the hook came off, bugger. I'm keeping him, so it's fine. But I want my hook back. Right, let's measure him up. He actually just might be a size 1. Who knows? Nah, 60. So he's 10 centimetres over. Awesome. Woo! Look at that lump there too. Looks pretty strange. Lovely fish. So easy. Well, actually not easy. But yeah, it's just got to pick the days. Rough weather, coming close, the fish will be there. Something's going for the soft plastic, but they just can't seem to go for the hook. It'll be a smaller one, smaller snapper. I actually want to catch a legal size snapper on the softy, replicate what I did a few weeks ago. There we go. Yep, on. There's a snapper. Yeah, he's got a bit of curry into him. I don't know if it's a legal one. So I think the trick is to actually move your bait, initiate the strike. We've got a bit of colour. Yeah, it's definitely a snapper. Half decent sized fish too. Yeah, and striking them, you actually see get some on the jaw. So if they're too small, you can release them back. Oh, that line is taken off, I think. Just saw that leader move. So he's about 40, this one. Not quite. Yeah, 40 centimetres. Good size. Surprisingly, the bite has just really slowed down, if not stopped. I think because I'm actually drifting not on the right spot. Not drifting, sorry. The wind's turned the boat not in the spot that I wanted to fish. The current's going that way, but I can't complain. That nice one-size legal snapper, pretty good to me. Use up the rest of my bait. It's 9:30, the sun is way up now, and you know, the snappers of the fish, whether they go off the bite, I don't know, they move away. Yeah, fantastic. Fantastic. Let's pull up the anchor. I've already started the engine up. Give me some slack. See. A lot of meat there too. A lot of meat for the sauce. I'll chop down to that. Cut down here. A lot of bones here. So this fish would have been great for baking whole, but it's a bit too big to fit in the oven. So that's why I'm going to resort to fillet this. Look at that, that's a big serving right there. Obviously if I cut it like that, it'd be better having that on there. Some people can slice that, but I'm not going to ruin this piece of fish. It's just absolutely beautiful. Righty, let's go home for the cook up. I've got the frame, I'm actually going to chop it up and make a little bit of a sauce, crack up these bones. Frying pan here. I'll just put some onion, just make a little stop. Put oil in there first. I like to graze the bones and the fish with a nice flavour. It's a bit too big. I'm going to throw in some fennel seeds, a little bit. Chili, oregano, bit of parsley, with some thyme. Let this cook away until it's reduced. It sucks up all that nice snappy flavour. Alright, so that's really boiling away, which is good. Infusing all those flavours into that stock. That's really coming out really nice. I can actually start taking some of these bones out, scooping some of that flesh off. There you go, look at that. There's a lot of meat in that. And it's the bones that are going to make a big difference here in the flavour. There's a lot of really nice flavours coming out there. Just got it down to a simmer. Trying to make sure I don't get no bones in here. You know, I should strain it, but I'm actually going to leave in the flesh. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to poach these pieces of snapper. I'm going to try and put it on the onion, so it's almost like a steam, not quite touching the sauce. There's onions here to chop it up. There you go. small piece here. I might actually put that in the water. There we go. So how about that? That's looking fantastic. It's going to be really nice and tender. Just going to test it, and you can see the flesh is just crackling. Yep, it's definitely ready, so I'll scoop them out. And I'll put this back into the sauce later on. Yep, there was one bone right here. Another bone right here. Oh, another one here too. Oh, that was a good idea, I did strain it. Right, here we go. Put the pan back on here. This time I'm going to be using butter. A fair bit. Quantities I'm really not too sure. Start whisking it up. Some Prosecco, the acidity. Smells great. And our beautiful snapper stock. Should use a whisker. At the same time, put the snapper gratin pieces there. Add in some linguine. I think I might just fold it over. Has to be al dente. There's a lot of sauce in there. I love lots of sauce. Look at that. Of course, put the nice fish just like that. That was a lot bigger. I've been tasting it. It is beautiful. Get some sauce into that fish. Always a good time to celebrate. Salud. Yeah, I'm going to try this straight from the pan because I want to bring it inside and serve the family. Let's try the pasta and the sauce. Just a bit. Oh, I could eat all this. That's delicious. I'm going to go straight for the fish. Steamed in its own juices in the sauce. Cooked to perfection, I reckon. Oh. Delicious. Absolutely fantastic. Soft, creamy, just melts in your mouth, and the flavours. If you want more of this, make sure you subscribe, give us a like and a comment. See you next time. Don Appetit. Take it easy. You river. Cheers.
Fish, taka, fish, taka, fish, taka, man.
Oh yeah.
Fish, taka, the fish, taco, man.